fuck up.
Good evening guys, this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel. So today it's an evening, it's 4:30 PM in the evening and I have got some crazy guys with me. So that's Vignesh with his Hero 7, Gopro Hero 7, and that's Yatish who is sitting as a pillion and is acting absolutely crazy. So yeah, it's a 25th of December, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone.
Okay, now he's right now they all are in a maniac mode.
We are heading to Palm Beach Road.
So I'm not wasting much of the time here in vlogging because it's too much of traffic.
So we are finally getting out of that road, one of the best road in Mumbai. Yep, the road patch is horrible, filled with lots of fools, and we are now on the better road.
Hey, main bridge ही पकड़ेगा? Main अजय बंद है क्या? Okay.
So they have closed this alternate bridge, which was supposed to meant for the bikers, the old Vashi bridge, reason unknown. So it's 25th, the Christmas evening, and hopefully there shouldn't be any traffic ahead. So hoping for that we can ride peacefully without any traffic. Yep. So we are switching onto the more better road in Palm Beach Road.
Raise the fuck up.
So yep, we have almost reached at the end point of the Palm Beach Road and we can see a beautiful tricolor. Don't honk man, idhar se aana. So yeah, we can see a beautiful tricolor.
यहाँ से राइट है ही नहीं. ओ नहीं यू टर्न मारना है. तुषार मत, अभी मत, रुक. और आगे से राइट लेना है ना.
इधर है, ठीक है, होता है. पहली बार आ रहा है आपको देखने मिल रहा है. सनसेट तो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है पर देखने जरूर मिलेगा.
Okay, so right now we are in a country road kind of thing and मेरी तो बहुत फट रही है. ज़्यादा स्पीड में नहीं चलाना है मेरे को क्योंकि the thing is like यहाँ पे gravel से and when there is a gravel वो पास अलग से। वो ग्रेवल्स की अलग ही आवाज़ आती है ना, मेरी फट जाती है कसम से। मतलब तुषार आराम से, तेरा तो साला 200 का टायर है, अपना बहुत फट रही है मेरी भाई। यहाँ पे तो रास्ता बंद है। यही है, दिस इज हाउ द कॉन्वॉय लुक्स लाइक। वही ऑफ रोड है भाई, ऑफ रोड टायर नहीं है इसमें। अरे ये कितना माती उड़ा रहा है अबे। ओ ऐसा लग रहा है नॉस चालू है भाई।
नहीं जा सकते इधर। अरे नीचे रे, नहीं पब्लिक को देखा मैं जाते वक्त। अरे पब्लिक को देखा जाते। I finally managed to come here, and it's a bit marshy. Yeah, lot of fun.
अबे चिक्कड़ है ये यार।
थोड़ा थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है, फटाफटा।
फंस गए वो।
Yep. Now the plan B. The plan A was ultimate fail. I just my shoes, and now the plan B. The main objective to move there. अरे तू बाइक क्या चला रहा है किधर?
So this is the trial 2. Hope so it goes well. And मैं तो भाई पीछे रहूँगा, मेरे को नहीं कुछ करना एक्सपेरिमेंट। Our leader is at the front. So finally we have touched the land. So they have 2 paths here. यहाँ से भगवान ना करे आपको लेके आए, just a good place to hang out. Okay, I don't know why is he laughing because he is still onto that thing. He's still remembering that thing. How did he? उसका पैर कैसे फंस गया?
तो या अंदर कुछ देखने जैसा था नहीं, so we are returning back, and अभी I'm riding a scooter for the first time on this channel. Yeah, so Vignesh is riding my Domina. So yep, we have hit the Mumbai shores and the traffic is already started. आजकल तो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, नवी मुंबई और मुंबई दोनों जिधर भी जाओ आजकल ट्रैफिक है ही। So yep, now it's time to end the vlog here. We have reached our home and now it's time to end the vlog here. So till we meet next time, ride safe and drive safe. So meet you in the next vlog.